Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a tasty evening snacks, the corn cheese balls. To make these corn cheese balls, I've taken two medium-sized potatoes, boil it nicely, peel it and then grate it. To these grated potato, add one handful of coriander leaves. Chop the coriander leaves into fine small pieces and add it in. To this, we will add some vegetables. I am adding some chopped capsicums, onions and corn. It's okay if you add 2 tablespoons of each, but my children likes corn a lot, so I've added a little more of corn. Along with this, add 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. The more cheese you add, the more tastier it is. And then I'm grating 1 large garlic. This garlic gives a very nice flavor to this corn cheese balls. If you have garlic powder, you can add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Along with this, I am adding 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. And then add quarter teaspoon of pepper and add the required salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all of this together. Mix it nicely till it's all well combined. And then add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This corn flour will bind everything together. Then again mix everything together. Try to make small balls from this mixture. If you're not able to make a small ball out of this mixture, you can add a little more corn flour. If you are able to make small balls out of it, then continue with it and make balls out of the entire mixture. Now leave this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll continue with the next steps. In a small bowl, take quarter cup of maida or all-purpose flour and take another quarter cup of corn flour. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Add water little by little and make this into a smooth lump-free paste. It shouldn't be very runny and it shouldn't be very thick also. Now bring the corn balls from the fridge and coat it with this maida paste. And in another bowl, take half a cup of breadcrumbs and toss this corn cheese balls in this breadcrumbs till the breadcrumbs coat nicely. Instead of using maida and corn flour, you can use 1 egg also. Beat the egg and then you can coat the cheese balls in the egg and then roll it in breadcrumbs. After you coat all the balls in breadcrumb, leave this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Only when you leave it in the freezer for 10 minutes, you can deep fry it. Otherwise, the cheese will start coming out very easily. After 10 minutes, take it out of the freezer and put these corn cheese balls in hot oil and you can start frying it. You can also store these corn cheese balls in the freezer. Once you coat it with breadcrumbs, you can put it in a Ziploc bag or any box and leave it in the freezer. And whenever you want, you can instantly deep fry it for an evening snack. So toss these corn cheese balls in the hot oil till it becomes golden brown and then you can remove it. Sometimes what happens is as you keep deep frying it, after some time the cheese can start coming out. Once the cheese comes out, it will start popping. So when you hear that popping sound, you should remove it from the hot oil. So keep tossing and turning the cheese balls. My cheese balls, none of the cheese came out except for 1 or 2 where it started coming out. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the hot oil and leave it in a tissue paper. So this is it. Our easy and simple and tasty corn cheese balls is ready. This is perfect for an evening snack. It is so tasty Since we've added mozzarella cheese, it's very cheesy and stringy. It tastes like small pizza balls. Kids will definitely love this. If you find it difficult to make these for an evening, then you can make it ahead of time and then freeze it. And whenever you want it for an evening, you can instantly fry it and enjoy. So do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.